Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. As I made the video regarding the connecting wallet with Angela Incubator, so the second move that you need to do is to go and verify your human in your app, in your privacy Telegram mini app, which is IMHUMAN. So let's go direct and verify it so that it will be fully accessible and fully verified. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, like here is the Angela Incubator, like website that you need to aware that you need to connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is being successfully connected. So before I casted my bot here, I need to go to my human app to verify before I'll come here to cast my bot, like to be fully accessible. So let's go to our human application so that I should verify it. So all you need to do is to come and click this section to copy this link and paste it. So I have been copying it. So let's get back to our human Telegram mini apps, human application, so which is PRIVASEA. So let's go back. So as you can see, like here is the PRIVASEA Telegram mini app human. So sorry, I mean I have been familiar with Telegram mini app, so I'm sorry for using it. So human mini app, human application. So let's click on login. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into my human application. So all you need to do is to come this section, and click on it, which is and click on this liveness check. So let's click on it. So we need to paste the code that we have been copied. So let's paste it. So let's click on next. So it shows us like coded by Angela, agent Angela. So all you need to do is to come and click on the start. When you click on start, it will take you the site that you are going to verify your face. So let's switch my camera because I want to scan my face. After then I have completed, I should continue using video. So let's click on it. So all you need to do is to come and click on this start face scan. So let's shut down my camera before after I have completed the face verification, we should continue using our video screen. So as you can see, you have successfully verified. This green light has been applied for a 1 to 2 seconds. So we have successfully verified. So let's wait for it. So congratulations to me, I have successfully verified the Angela Incubator. So let's click on continue. So let's get back to our main website so that we may see what is happening. So as you can see, I have successfully linked my PRIVASEA application here. As you can see, here is my username here. So I need to come and cast my vote here yes, I'm eligible to cast my vote here. So let's go together. So I've successfully cast my vote here. So as you can see, so here is it. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.